Click to enter the menu. Select the low turbidity channel.
Select Calibration.
Generally, perform zero calibration and standard solution calibration. Perform zero calibration first. Then place the probe in a dark container to shield it from light. Click OK. Wait for the prompt indicating 0-point calibration is complete. Exit the interface. After exiting the interface, the device's indicator light will turn on. 0-point calibration is complete. Next, perform the standard solution calibration. Press OK. Then place the probe into a standard solution with a known concentration of 20. Similarly, shield it from light and seal it. Enter 20 into the device. Press Confirm. The device will display Calibrating. The display will show Calibration Complete. Return to the main interface. If the data is close to 20, calibration is complete.